it's Smeridani, and that's the intro I'm sticking with. That's fucking gonna be it. Anyways, if you want to see how I did this, there is a video and a link somewhere that I'll put in. Cool. Now what I'm going to do is take this shit off because that's satisfying as fuck. And we're also going to review a couple more of the things that I bought at Mecca because I can't help myself. Yeah, cool. So I'm using these. I have this Mecca Max Off Duty Micellar water. This shit is gangster, and like it just is. Like it's gangster. Dabba dab dabba. Where do you want to see? Do you want to see an eye? Oh, I don't want to ruin my face because I'm real proud of this shit. I fucking okay. Look at that. One swipe. One fucking swipe. Look at how red my actual skin is. Let's do like half a face. I'm about to look crazy. I always pick a lipstick that's really close to my natural lip color, so it doesn't look too cray when, like just for nude ones, because I don't really have like nude lips. Remember a million years ago when it was all the rage to fucking put foundation on your lips as your lipstick? Yeah. Anyway, look at that. Mecca, you are a gangster. And now look at this side. Oh, you know what? I get off. I'm also going to give this a go. Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Makeup erasing and deep cleansing. I saw this on the website and I was like, I feel like spending more money. So I just got it. Yeah, there's no real reason. Anyways, I'm going to use a second pad for the other side of my face. Oh, I'm so into myself. I just can't get over that. That's amazing. Cool. I'm gonna start with the cleanser. It doesn't have any instructions, so I'm just gonna hope for the best. I think it said to put it on a wet face when I read the packet, so I'm just gonna wet my face with my Badescu facial spray. Oh, it smells fucking good as fuck. It smells like blueberries. But like, I don't know if that's what real blueberries smell like or if that's just what they tell you that they smell like. I feel like I'd eat blueberries if they smell this good. Does anyone else get pimples in their eyebrows? Cause I do. Alright, I'm gonna go and wash that off now. Okay, I've washed it off. I am back. My face feels really soft and smooth, but also kind of tight. Like, I don't know how to explain. Just tight, like this, tight. So I'm gonna put some of this shit on my face because I like it. And then I'm gonna do toner. So I use the Natio Gentle Skin Toner because, look, there isn't really a reason. It's just because it's the one that was in the bathroom and I needed one, and then that one happened to be there. Oh, sorry, Mum. And then I just like kind of pat it into my face as per instructions on the back. Cool. Now that I've done that, I kind of try and look. So I didn't say it before, but this is by Glow Recipe. Okay, apparently not. Yes. So I'm gonna first do the Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. It's by Josie Maran. It's also a tester because I still am cheap. Oh, that feels nice. Doesn't go very far. It's one cheek. Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Okay, that soaks in fast. So I don't know if my skin's just dry or like what the hell that's about. Next I'm going to do the also Josie Maran, I don't know, pure argan oil shears. I just love that it has a dropper. I used to always watch videos on YouTube of girls that had droppers and I was like, those bitches have their life together. It's a lie. I don't have my life together. Anyways, I was pretty generous just then with all of that. Whatever. Then I'm going to put this baby on, which is, I put it in this tiny little dropper because like droppers are life. Pretend I have my life together. This is by Alpha Path Milano. Fuck, I hate this. Semi Delino Diamond Illuminating Essential Oil. I don't really know what it does. Again, another tester, so is blow. So we're, you know, testing it, I guess. Alright, and I'm gonna be crazy and I'm gonna do one more. I don't really know if you're supposed to do all of these or if you're gonna just like pick one and then that's the one, but you know, this is by Amore Pacific Vintage Single Extract Essence and the back is in Korean, so I don't know what it does. It doesn't have a dropper. Life not together anymore. It's brown. Okay, alright. Don't know what it is or what it does. Didn't sting, so that's positive. Okay, now that you're essentially just a face full of oil, get this baby out. I got this from Cotton On, and then just, oh yeah. Oh, this feels so good. It's so cold too. I think it's something about the quartz or, look, I don't know anything about rocks, but it feels good on my face. Okay, now that I'm extra shiny and my face is all rubbed in, I kind of just pat it. I don't know, that's just the thing that I do. You're probably not meant to do that, but each their own. Right, next. So I have two moisturisers that I frequently use. The first is this Cetaphil moisturising cream. A lady at work gave this to me because one day I had really dry lips and then she was like, try this, and it's the best shit. So normally I actually use both of them. Again, I don't know anything about this and if this is good or bad, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So this one's like thick. I don't know. Yeah, I would say it's thick. And it kind of like, I don't know, to me, in my head, it feels like it fills all your pores in because it's really thick. But it's also meant to have something to do with fixing acne, I think. I don't know much. Oh, there you go. It says it on the bottom. Rich. Thick, rich. Thick and rich. That's what I like to be. And then I use my moisturiser is made for me. So I don't really like a lot of moisturisers. I've tried a couple. The one that I really like is like the most expensive one, true to my nature. So I bought this one. It's by Irresistible by Nelly. It's a My Moisturiser, so it's like you do a quiz and then they send you out what, like, they put in ingredients as per your quiz to fit your skin type and what you want to get out of it, blah blah blah. Anyways, pretty fucking good. No complaints over here. Smells good too. And this one's like a light one. This one's runnier, I guess. I don't need as much. And this one definitely has some shit to fix acne in it, because when it hits those acne spots or things I've been picking at, I can feel it. Now that my face is incredibly moisturized, nice and shiny. So the last thing that I use on my face is, this is a tester because again I'm real cheap and this is expensive as balls. It's the Evelom Eyetime treatment. Now I have this thing called Milia. I don't know if you can see it here on my eyelid in there. And there's one just there. Anyways, I don't have it anywhere else on my face. Apparently you can get rid of it with extractions, but every time I've kind of gone to do that, they're very cautious about the eye area. Sometimes they're on my eyelids, and they won't necessarily do it. So apparently this cream is supposed to help, this eye treatment cream. I have been using it for a while now. Only samples because I suck. And I think it is helping. I think. See, I'm not sure because they don't hurt and they kind of just go away on their own. So I don't know if it's like the cream helping them along or if it's just the life cycle of the actual thing. I don't really know. But anyways, I like it. I'm gonna keep using it, I think. Yeah. Yep. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm done. I'm done. No, I'm not. I thought I was done. I'm not done. I always use Tree Oil Antiseptic. I put it on. Always use this. And I put it on cotton bud. And I fucking hit all of my acne spots. In my fucking eyebrows. And right on my hairline for God knows what reason. Anyway, now that I've done that, now I'm done. So, that was super fun. If anyone is interested in any other shit that I do with my face or my hair or anything, I mean, you've basically seen everything now. So, I don't know what more I could tell you. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave me a comment, subscribe to my page. You know, just generally love me. Bit of Lanolips on the lips there. Interesting short story, I'll make it quick. I used to absolutely hate this. I used to think it sucked. I don't know why, but then I got my lips done. I got lip injections and boom, love it. I don't know what changed. Something. Chemicals, probably. Anyways,